So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Viking Rise on Swagbucks. So once Swagbucks is opened up, go to the bottom left, press on Games, and then press on Get Started. Once you're on the Get Started screen right here, if it's not going to show up right away under your games right here, the simplest way to search it is to go to where it says most popular. And because we're looking for a game that starts with the letter V, we'll just sort from Z to A to go from the bottom to the top. Once we're here, just scroll down a little bit. A bunch of different options right here. So if we were to keep scrolling down right here, we're looking for Viking Rise. Viking Rise is right here. Once that is done, just go ahead and select Viking Rise just like that. First and foremost, download the game to get Viking Rise. Once that is done, if you were to scroll down here, you have to go ahead and reach different levels to achieve Swagbucks. Once you guys have earned enough Swagbucks, you can then cash those in for real money in the form of gift cards. So if you were to reach level 2, you get 8 Swagbucks. If you were to reach level 7, you get 47. And you can basically see how over time, installing this game, playing this game, etc., you can earn some Swagbucks, which then you can cash in for some money in the form of gift cards. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to play Viking Rise and earn real money here on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.